Hello folks, it's Skryne GSX and it's the 18th of December and I'm out on the Suzuki GSX S1000GT. Whoa, got it right the first time. It really does trip me up. But as first of all, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and thank you all for the support and the subscriptions and the likes and the comments, good or bad, and I'm quite happy to listen to them all. That is always very much appreciated. So happy Christmas to you all, and I hope you have a great Christmas. But at the moment I'm in Castle Blaney. I'm heading down, if you remember back, I did a video looking for a pub that featured in the Guinness summer adverts, which was the Blue Light Bar. It was just outside Dublin. It's just on the edge of Dublin, just as you head up into the mountains, and it was a lovely, lovely place, and I visited on a lovely day. So that was the summer advert. So there's the winter advert is filming at the moment. There's viewing at the moment, and it shows a bar at the end called J. O'Connell, the bar. So that's where I'm heading for. I found out it was in County Meath, and it was certainly it was covered in snow, and it looked really pretty. But now there's not snow today. If there was, I wouldn't be out in this bike. Lucky I'm out in this bike, because I've just been watching motorbike videos and being awful jealous, and decided I wanted to get a run on the bike. So it's around about just short of 80 miles away from home. What's that? 125 kilometers. It's in near Tara in County Meath, the hill of Tara. So it's in quite a famous area. Now, if you remember the video I did with the huge ice cream in it, it was in County Meath. Well, this is within about 3 miles of it, from what I can see with the maps. It's not that far away. But I'll not be calling for an ice cream. The ice creams are, it was just too much. I actually felt quite ill after, but I did manage it. So that's us outside Castle Blaney in County Monaghan, I think it is. Yeah, it's Monaghan. And heading down towards, the next area would be past is Carrickmacross, and then on into RD, and then we head towards Skreen. And from there, I'm not 100% sure. I'll be following the sat nav at that stage, but that's also on our way out. And I've got my drone with me, although it's quite breezy today. I'll have to see whether the drone can manage the breeze. What's there, but I certainly will get the drone in the air if it is at all possible. But come along, we'll let you see the J. O'Connell bar in County Meath, and you can have a nice look around it without the snow on it. So again, thanks for watching this one, and I'll check in with you on the way up the road again. We're now in the bottleneck that is RD, and it really does get snarled up here, as you can see. It's a busy little place, but we'll get through it and we'll get on down the road. We're now 24 miles away from the destination, according to the nav. Right, we're in Skreen, and Skreen's not too far away from where we're going. We're 12 miles away from where we're going, so it's not far from here. We don't go towards Navan. I thought we might have been going towards Navan, but we're going down and over the Boyne down here, and up the back where the festivals and all are. So getting there slowly but surely. The bike's just lovely and comfy, and I've got to really quite like this bike. The bar risers have made a big difference, although you've still got that slight lean forward. It's nothing to what it was. It really wasn't bad anyway, but it's just it's taken a fair bit more weight off the wrists, and It's not what you want when you're touring, but then I suppose it's a sports tour. But then again, with straight bars you can get down anyway. So we're just straight on down here and over the bridge. Right, on down towards the Boyne. And that's Skreen Castle into the right there, just behind that wall. Traffic light system over the bridge. It's a quite narrow bridge, but this takes us on down to the bridge, and it's a traffic light system. They let the cars go before the trucks, and then the trucks are all behind you, so it's just rather clever. Saves for any mad overtaking manoeuvres. Right, and down to the river. Lovely in the summer, isn't it? There's little picnic areas and all. Really is quite nice. I'm sure you can see there, just over the weir there. Really nice. But can't complain. Middle of December and I'm on a motorbike. That doesn't happen very often. Right, well, we're on the Skreen Road, and it looks as though we're not far away. Let's see, it's showing less than a mile away, so 750 feet. I turn right. So we're pretty much there. There's just in behind those trees you can see the ruins of the old church, and it looks as though that white building up there is our destination. So we are there. When I pull into the car park, let's see if you recognise the place. Oh no, that's not the one. That's the Fox's pub. That's it there. Now, do you recognise it? And the advert is covered with snow. But we'll get a wee look round. It seems to be calm enough. We'll just get some pictures and... Right. Well, that's it. J. O'Connell pub. As you can see, it's and there's me sitting in the middle. This is just the little DJI Neo. Just doing a droney, coming back to me. Right, as you can see, the pub's beside me. So I'll just walk over this direction and let you have a look at it. That's familiar, isn't it? It definitely is. One round, let's have a wee look at it. That's just going alongside me now. You can see the church in the background there. Right, how about that? That looks like the business, doesn't it? Where we are. And let's take you back and let you have a look a wee bit further on. You have reached your destination. Not going too far, just on a remote control from the phone. even O'Connell's pub. Unfortunately, not open. So, well, we'll not sample any of the stuff it advertises. But there you go. It's I've been to see it now, so that's all that's needed, isn't it? Does this take us? It does. Jesus, all these sticks. Right, well, all these country pubs used to do a roaring trade even during the day, and I've noticed recently, even like in the south where we thought pubs were quite buoyant, they're actually all struggling again, and well, that's a debate for another time. But well, there's I think the pub game is actually dwindling. That's a pity, because a lot of pubs ended up like a community centre, and rather than just being somewhere where you drink. Okay, there's people go there just to go and get drunk, but no, it was a place where people would go as a community centre, and so many events were organised through the pubs, but that's another. That's a debate for another time. If you're wondering why my speech went away there, my sat nav was chirping away in my ear. But heading back towards Skreen now. Got the heated grips on, and it should be nice and comfy and cosy. Temperature on the bike is around about 10 degrees, 9 to 10 degrees. Centigrade, that is. I don't ask me that in Fahrenheit, but it's chilly enough. But the heated grips on, and I'm not too bad. Can't complain. So I've got a bit of shopping to do as well when I get the RD. But that's just a matter of dropping off to get a couple of things. But there you go. We're on a road on our way back, but. So I'll not chirp in anymore. You've seen where we're going, and there's a flight of the drone and that. So thanks for coming along and watching this with us. If you liked it, please hit a like. If you really liked it and want to see more, hit a subscribe, and maybe even consider hitting the bell notification. But for now, thanks very much for watching. Have a great Christmas and New Year, whether you celebrate it or not. Give yourself an excuse to party and enjoy life. But thanks for watching. Bye for now. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.